Good day friends, my name is Dr. Shweta Goyal and now my another topic in digital electronics series is decoder. Now I will talk about some basics of decoders and after that I will do some example to clear your doubts. Now what is decoder? Decoder is used to decode output from input. We have any input in our digital electronics, we can have like 0101 and we can decode that output, we can decode that input at the output. So here n input, then output will be 2 to the power n. For n input, for any n input, output will be 2 to the power n. This is a decoder. There is n input and output will be 2 to the power n. Let's suppose we have 2 input, then output will be 2 to the power 2, that is 4. Okay. Now if enable it, also have a enable signal. Okay, it also have a enable signal. If enable is 0, we can say decoder is off, and if enable is 1, we can say in decoder is on. Now I will do one example to clear your doubts. Let's suppose we draw 2 to the power 4 decoder, because 2 is input and 4 is output. 2 is input, let's suppose 2 input is 2 A and B, and output will be 2 to the power n, that is 4. So 4 output will be y0, y1, y2, y3, and enable signal is there. For a truth table, you can check that 0, if enable signal is 0, doesn't matter, input is there, we don't get any output. Now enable signal is 1 and input condition, 2 input condition, there are 4 combination are formed, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now 0 0, when we get 0 0, we get one output, y0 output, and other is 0. When we condition, where our condition is 0 1, we get the output y1 and other output is 0. When we get 1 0 input, we get y2, and we get 1 1 input, we get output y3. Now how can we make this? So this is a AB signal and this is for A bar and B bar. Now enable signal is 1, we can say enable signal is 1. You can also make this enable signal 1 always. Now A bar, B bar, A bar, B bar, and output will be y0, and we get enable signal 1. Then for y1, 0, A0, y1, B1, AND gate, output y1, and enable signal is also 1. You can take this enable signal. Okay. Now y2 is A1, B0, y2, and enable signal is also. Now A, B, y3, enable signal, you can check enable signal also 1. You can go through there. So it is a circuit diagram for 2 to the power 4 decoder. Now I will talk about one more example, 3 to the power 8 decoder, where 3 is input, then output will be 2 to the power 3, that is 8. So in 3 to the power 8 decoder, this is 3 to the 8 decoder, then output will be 8 and input will be 3. Let's suppose input is ABC and output will be y0, y1, y2 up to y7. y0 to y7 there are 8 output. So in a 3-way input, ABC 3-way input, 3 possible conditions are there, that is 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0, 101, 110 and 111. There are 8 possible conditions are there, and the output will be y0. This is y0 to y7, and enable signal should be 1 at all the condition. If enable signal is 0, we don't able to get the output. So when 0 is 0, we get y1. Other condition is 0. Okay, 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. And when 0 0 1, we get y1 at like this. When 0 0 0 0 1 0, we get y2. When 0 1 1, we get y3. When 0 1 1 0 0, we get y4. When 0 1 1 0 1, we get y5. 1 1 0, y6. 1 1 1, y7. Okay, and other conditions are 0. So I will write it like this. So these are the condition. When we do 1 1 0 0 0, we get y0. 0 0 1, y1. 0 1 0, y2. 0 1 1, y3, and so on, and 1 1 1 is y7. Now how can we make our circuit diagram? That will be like this: A, B, C, and enable signal is there. Okay, now like this. So we will make like I will make it the different page, that will be more clear to you. A, B, C. Enable signal is always 1. Then A, B, C. Okay. Now for bar, we use different color. Like this. Now for 0 0 0, A bar, B bar, C bar, we get y1. So A bar, B bar, C bar. AND gate and enable signal is always 1. We get y1. Next is 0 0 1. That is 0 0 and C is 1 and enable signal is 1. We get y2. Now y3 is 0 1 0 and enable signal, that will be y3. Now 0 1 1, 0 is like this, 0 1 will be this and 1 will be this, and enable signal is 1. y4 1 0 0, 1 is this, 0 and enable signal, that will be y4. Now we can use it like this. Circuit can be more bigger than other, so please pay attention on this. Now next for y5. y5 is 1 0 and 1 and enable signal, that will be y5. Now y6 will be 1 1 0, then 1 1 0, y6 and enable signal also there. Now y7 will be 1 1 1 and this y7. So this is our circuit diagram for, you can check, this is our circuit diagram for T2 to the power 3 into 8 decoder. So friends, this is our circuit diagram, and you can also make 4 to the power 4, that is 2 to the power 4, that is 16. So 14 into 16 decoder. So here is a problem for you. Please make 1 4 into 16 decoder and send me the picture at comment box. If is there any confusion, I will get back to you definitely. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.